In this video, you are going to be learning how to create a caricature of yourself. I believe you have been seeing those trending pictures online of people creating caricature images of themselves like this. You can see there are several images on the internet right now, and you don't have to miss out because it actually helps to boost your business. It gives that fun aspect of your business and what you do as a person, because you don't need somebody to sketch a capture image for you, because with the advent of AI, everything has actually gone digital. You can do it right with your phone. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a caricature image of yourself and what you do. So don't forget, my name is Enoanye Osereme Eko, and in this space I teach business owners, content creators, and just anybody who's trying to grow and learn. I teach them digital skills, simple skills that you need to that you need to be able to grow as a business owner or a content creator. So let's dive right into the video right now. I'm going to be I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it. So you should be seeing my screen now. Let me just start recording my screen. Yeah, we're going to be using ChatGPT. You can use the app or you can use the web browser. So when you get to ChatGPT, just click on this icon here, and it takes you to just go to images, and you're going to be creating a caricature of yourself. So now you're going to be uploading a picture you want to use for this caricature. So let me upload a picture of myself. Let me just use this picture of myself just for an example. You can use a beautiful picture of yourself, but let me just use this one. Then you're going to be describing it. So just you can just say, create a caricature of myself using with what you know about me, what with what you know about me and my job. You have to know that you have to have at least a background history. You have to be using ChatGPT for a very long time to be able to do this, because if you don't have history with ChatGPT, you will not be able to do this. But I can show you another way to do it if you don't have any history with ChatGPT. What I mean by history is if you have been chatting with ChatGPT constantly, if you have been prompting ChatGPT constantly, so ChatGPT has a background, a back history about the kind of person you are. So let's go ahead and prompt this, and it's going to be loaded. But if you don't have any back, if you don't use ChatGPT often, there's a way that you can do it, and I'm going to be showing you after this thing is done creating. So we just have to wait, give it some time for it to create. So at least when you get something like this, you just go ahead and post it online, and people will actually see what you do, because certainly people will put exactly what you do. You put the pictures, put everything of what you do in the image, and every other person will know that, oh, this is what this person does and all that. It's just in fact a way to advertise your business. It's a way to advertise yourself. So now you are seeing in ChatGPT have actually brought out a picture. Are you seeing faith, focus, discipline, growth, like just showing me what I do. I'm a content creator too, yes. So this is just some of the things that I do. We have mindset, marketing. They are just there. A lot of them are there. But if you don't have a back history, or maybe you don't like this prompt that ChatGPT have given you, maybe you just feel ChatGPT did not actually elaborate more on what you do. What you can do is to edit the prompt. Just go and edit the message and actually explain to ChatGPT that, okay, I'm a content creator. Include a picture of a tripod, include a picture of a ring light, include a picture of this and that. So that people will just include it in the prompt. And also, if you are a baker or maybe anything you do at all, I mean, ChatGPT does not actually give you what you want, go and edit the prompt and say, hey, I'm a content creator. Include a picture of a YouTube channel, include a picture of this, and ChatGPT is going to be including it. So guys, let's go. Let's just go ahead and edit this prompt. Let's say include a picture of a ring light, a ring light. You can say tripod and any other details to show I'm a content creator. So let's go ahead and see what ChatGPT has to do for us. So those that don't have any back history with ChatGPT, maybe you don't use ChatGPT to prompt at all. So maybe ChatGPT doesn't really know what you do. So the way to do it is to introduce yourself to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT what you do, and ask ChatGPT to create a caricature of yourself. For instance, let me just use somebody who is into baking. You can just tell ChatGPT that you can say I'm a baker, then you now add create a caricature of myself and my job as a baker. Then maybe what are the people bring out that prompt, you can now check it out. If it does not carry what you want, you can now go ahead and edit that prompt and let ChatGPT have those little details that you want, and ChatGPT is going to do it for you, and you're going to be seeing it immediately. So you can include, add a baking pan, add an oven, add, like, I believe people have different materials to use for to baking, so that people will know that, oh, this is a baker. And I believe ChatGPT is gonna even wear you an apron for a start. ChatGPT is going to wear you an apron to show that, oh, this is what you actually do, because most bakers use this apron. So now ChatGPT have added the ring light for me, and they have added content creator. So this is just perfect. Perfect. So now you can actually save it. Click on this icon for saving. Just save it, and if you can just keep on editing this prompt if it's not what you want. So after we save this, for instance, I'm a baker. Let's go ahead and let's see the magic that ChatGPT can create. So we are creating an image again, and I want to prompt ChatGPT to create something for me. If for instance ChatGPT doesn't know what I do, or for instance I'm using somebody's else account to do it, and I want ChatGPT to use my picture to do it, and I don't want ChatGPT to use the backstory of that person's account for my account. I hope you get. So now we're going to be editing it. Let's say create a caricature of myself. I'm a baker. Okay, let's just stop it there. I'm a baker. Let's see what ChatGPT will do for us using that word. I'm a baker. By the time it gives us what it can create using the prompt we have given it, then we can actually go back and actually edit it again if it's not what we want. But if you want to be more if you want it to just give you perfectly what you want, just give ChatGPT all the details. I'm a baker, include a baking pan, include an oven, include an apron, include a cake, include slacks, those things for baking, and include everything, include I believe most bakers wear cap too, include it, and on the cap write just write baker on it, or maybe put your business name on the cap. You can actually just like do whatever you want to do. ChatGPT can do these things for you. Just prompt it. Go ahead and prompt it, and ChatGPT can do these things for, just the way you want it to do. So you have seen it. Oh, exactly. This is it. I'm a baker. ChatGPT does not even need any other information. He already gave me a kitchen that is they got baked with love. Baker, bake. I'm not a baker actually, but I am just using it as a prompt for those persons who ChatGPT is not giving the right prompt. Just go ahead and do it this way. And yeah, if you see my background now, you're like, oh, I love this background so much. This background I'm using for this video, you can like, oh, I like it. Oh, see, this is not my original background. Yes, I edited it. This is my original background. So if you are yet here and you want to learn how to change your background for your videos, just go ahead. I have a video on how to change background. The video is already on my channel, and on the thumbnail I have this background is fake. You can actually watch the video up here. Yes, I was trying to place the link up here. Just click on the video and watch it. You're going to be learning how to change your background. So content creation is now very easy. You don't have to have an aesthetically pleasing background to be able to shoot content. You can shoot content you guys in front of your house, anywhere at all, and just change the background just the way I changed the background of this video. So I hope you will try it out. If you try this out, just let me know in the comment section. Oh, I've tried it out, and let me know the results that ChatGPT gave to you. If it worked out, let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. So do well to subscribe to this channel. This channel is a place where you can grow as a content creator, or wherever you are. This place is a learning ground. Any topic you want to teach about, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be attending to it. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. I love you. Bye bye.